Heartland fans, I have one question for you. Did you know Season 19 is already here? That's right, it's back. Bigger than ever, and already 2 episodes deep. Yet many fans around the world still don't know how or where to watch it. So today, I'm breaking it all down for you. How to watch Heartland Season 19 absolutely free, no matter where you live, plus a quick peek into what you're missing if you haven't started yet. Let's start with the good news first. Heartland Season 19 airs every Sunday night on Canada's CBC network. And here's the best part. You don't even need a cable connection to watch it. The CBC has an official app that lets you stream new episodes as soon as they drop. It's super easy and completely free to use. Honestly, I love that flexibility because I never enjoy rushing to catch something live. With the app, you can simply open it whenever you're free and dive straight into the latest episode. But there's a small catch. If you're watching from outside Canada, the CBC app won't work directly because of region restrictions. Don't worry though, modern tech has a fix for that. Just use a VPN. It's a simple tool that lets you connect to a Canadian server and suddenly, you can stream Heartland like you live there. No complications, no hidden costs. And yes, even a basic VPN works perfectly fine for this. Still, if you're not comfortable using a VPN, patience will be your best friend. The series usually takes only a couple of months before it becomes available internationally. For example, Season 18 was released in the US on January 8th, roughly 2 months after it ended in Canada. That means we can expect Season 19 to reach the UP Faith and Family channel around January next year. So, you have 2 solid options. Either watch now through CBC with a VPN, or wait just a little longer for the official US release. Now, for those who like to binge older seasons, the Heartland library is pretty generous. The first 15 seasons are available on Prime Video, Peacock, Tubi, and the Roku channel. If you have Hallmark movies now, you're even luckier. You get access to the first 17 seasons there. It's perfect for when you want to rewatch your favorite episodes or just enjoy a cozy evening with the Bartlett-Fleming family. And yes, I know what you're thinking. What about Netflix? Sadly, Heartland left Netflix US on July 31st. A lot of fans were disappointed, and understandably so. But here's the thing, streaming platforms rotate shows all the time. It might return in the future, so fingers crossed that it finds its way back soon. All right, let's talk about what's happening in Season 19. Because if you're not watching yet, you're missing out on a lot. The season opens with chaos, flames, and heartbreak. Wildfires tear through Alberta, setting the tone for what might be one of the most emotional seasons ever. Amid the fire, Amy is finally ready to open her heart again, to love, to hope, to move forward. She even plans a family dinner to properly introduce Nathan, the new man in her life. But before that moment can happen, everything literally burns down. When one of the horses goes into labor right in the fire zone, Amy rushes into danger without hesitation, and Nathan follows her. That single act shows who he really is. He's brave, loyal, and deeply caring. But when Amy returns home after the chaos, the silence hits her hard. She realizes she left behind the one person who needed her most, Lindy. And this is where the emotion of Heartland really hits. When everyone was told to grab what mattered most, Lindy chose a single photograph, one of her and her father, Ty. That small gesture speaks volumes. Ty may be gone, but his memory is still a heartbeat inside their home. Lindy's fear wasn't just about the fire. It was about losing another parent. That's when Amy decides to slow down and focus on what truly matters, her daughter. She promises Lindy that she'll always come first, even if it means putting her relationship with Nathan on hold. But the peace doesn't last long. In episode 2, Lindy accidentally sees Amy kissing Nathan, the man she thought was just a friend. It's a heartbreaking moment. Lindy feels betrayed, confused, and scared all over again. Amy never meant to hurt her, but sometimes love complicates things more than it heals them. When Lindy asks her to uninvite Nathan, Amy brushes it off, and that's where things start to crumble. This isn't just about romance. It's about a child who wants to feel safe and seen. Meanwhile, Nathan faces his own troubles when his sister is caught scamming people, and it's Lou who uncovers it. Nathan handles the situation calmly, maybe even too gently, but his quiet pain is visible. He's trying to hold his family together just as Amy is trying to do the same, 2 episodes in, and already Season 19 has every ingredient that makes Heartland special: love, loss, courage, and healing. Every character is walking a fragile line between hope and heartbreak. If the first 2 episodes are this powerful, imagine what the rest of the season holds. So if you haven't started watching yet, what are you waiting for? Whether through the CBC app or once it arrives in the US, this season promises to tug at your heartstrings in all the best ways. Make sure you catch up soon, because Heartland Season 19 is shaping up to be one of the most emotional and beautifully written chapters in the show's history. And hey, don't miss out on the next discussion. We'll keep exploring every twist, every love story, and every tear that Heartland brings our way. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.